Assalamualaikum guys, this is me Ermeen, and sorry for the dirty hands. So I have these clips, these were just rumbling around, and so I have an idea, so let me show you. First take 2 bows, or how many you have, any color. Take glue, half cut beads, lace, whatever you have. Put the glue on the ribbon, like so. And put the half cut bead then. You can do this with any type of things you have. Again, sorry for the dirty hands. Now take needle and thread. Put the thread on the needle. In the needle. Take the needle and slide it through the ribbon. Now take some mini seed beads. I choose purple because they were looking the best, and I have these. Slide them down. You need to make like a chain. So I have completed. Stitch the back. And like that, cut it. Sorry for the clockwise. Take the ribbon and put it around the, clip. After that, take the ribbon or the bow, bow, and put it on the clip that you have organized. Put the glue. You can also stitch it. You have options. Sorry for the machine guys, and I also did take a jump ring and take a hanging and just put it there, so that's easy, so you can also do it. Then I took some final shots. Sorry for the machine noise, my mother is stitching. And there you have it, done. It's super easy and you can also do it. So bye bye.